back again. This time we're doing house projects, y'all. So we're coming down these steps to my front yard right here. Tired of this ugly thing, man. So I'm gonna delete this whole thing and we're gonna redo it. So I've started demoing it, and look at this nasty junk that has been sitting up there this whole time. So that's the kind of stuff we're getting rid of. We're gonna get rid of this nasty door too. This shit's ugly. So yeah, we're gonna delete that. We're gonna cut some stuff like this, like that, like that. We're gonna cut that out. And we're gonna put a nice, you know, 2 6x6 stack right in front. And we'll just do, I haven't decided if I'm gonna do a metal roof right here or if I'm just gonna do some flat shingles. I kind of want to do the easy way out and do the metal roof. Look at that. They already knocked that thing out so fast. The gutter is gone, no leaks inside the garage. Let's go see what's happening at the front. Oh yeah, baby. You too, Jibby, ready, huh?
Yeah, easy, yeah.
You showing me casa? These guys are tearing up the front entryway, and what they're gonna do is they're gonna recycle the shingles that needed to fill the hole that we repaired in the garage. So they're gonna take some spare shingles that actually match and put it up there where they just fixed it on my garage. So that's gonna be nice. I'm building a new front awning here. So this is getting demoed out. We used those old shingles. We're gonna pour concrete footings there and there. And that's gonna get rid of this rotten front, and we're gonna put in something nice. Ah, it's good. Coming down quick. Alright everyone, we're gonna follow up on the front entryway that I had been working on here on the house. So kind of got a little carried away, finished the project and everything, so might as well just show it to you. So this is how it turned out. So definitely not as junky looking, so we're nowhere near where I want it, like not even close, but it's a big improvement. So cedar columns and everything, got the smart side trim and everything, drip edge roof and everything. You know, this is all framed up. So what I think we're gonna go to now is, I think, to kind of make this kind of cleaned up, obviously a new door, but I'm gonna match this here. I'm gonna cut this siding out like this, do the same over here, and then I think I'm gonna do some of that red like decking from Home Depot. I'm gonna go horizontal with it, so I'm probably gonna put a 12-footer, cut it down to size, put it across the top, and then go sideways here all the way down. It's 6.5 feet worth of board, so you got 6 inches on the top basically, and then you got the 6 feet that hit down to the brick, and then I'll find something to mate it down there. But I think it'll be pretty cool. And I'll also have like some sort of trim board that, you know, follows it and meets up against it and everything. And then, you know, right in here I'll probably get something fresh that frames it out, and, you know, I'll cut in a fresh door, make sure this isn't like what in the heck right there, you know? Like, how do you even, I don't know what they're thinking, but see how it's all crooked and everything? Yeah, we're gonna get that fixed. So anyways, that's kind of the plan for this area. But yeah, we're getting there. It's a lot of work, but this thing's a junker, so it's gonna take effort to get it something. And yeah, so I'm gonna clean the lawn up just so it looks good here for Father's Day, and appreciate y'all tuning in. I'll start another video for the rest of the entryway, and hope you all tune in. Thanks. Also forgot to mention I did some like decking replacement. I just replaced some steps just to hold me over until I you know, get this thing completely redone. But I might board in, board out, replace this thing. I'm gonna probably shave a foot off of it, but that's something else I did just to make sure I don't get sued, because there's stuff like cracking, and so I did that and made new steps right here. So these are brand new, fresh all the way on the steps at least. And then replaced the decking against the house and everything, make sure no rot and all that junk, you know, cleaned it up under there and all that kind of stuff. So I might go get these, but I'm gonna inspect the beams coming across, make sure they're all good to drive into. So yeah, with all that being said, just want to make a note that this is not permanent, you know. This is just a little temporary fix so I can use it for a while until I get to, you know, focus on this project. But You know, I did all this in like, you know, an hour and 30 minutes or something like that. You know, built the steps and replaced all the decking and all that. So yeah, that's something else that's been done. And then some other house updates here. Excuse my driveway, it is trash, but you know, the front, I don't know if I've shown that on the channel. You've probably seen it if you've, you know, been tuned in and watched me do the car stuff. You know, this stuff has been done, but you know, I got some siding up, you know, got some fixtures in and all that. So the other last thing, one moment, I'm gonna turn my fan off here. Is it in? If you've been watching and tuned in, as well as, you know, there's insulation in here, and it has made a difference in how quiet it is. I notice when I get in here, it's much more peaceful. Like there's not as much vibrant noise, I guess. So yeah, those are the updates. Got a big pile of furniture I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with. So I'm trying to get projects done so I can get those moved and all that. So anyways, the garage projects are coming up. You know, that front entryway is coming up. You know, I've been landscaping, as you can see, you know, cutting things in. I got to take care of my koi pond all the time. So I just take it a day at a time because there's a lot to do here. But yeah, that's kind of the status of the house for now. I appreciate you all tuning in. I am Jibby, and I hope I catch you on the next one. Take it easy.